Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're making this fun cascading card using the Botanical Textures DSP. Alright, let's get started. You have a card base 4 1/4 by 9 1/2 scored at 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then I'll show you how to make. I have a template to show you how to make that part. You got 3 pieces of DSP, 4 5 1/4, 3 1/4 by 4 1/2, and 2 1/2 by 3 3/4. A middle panel 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. Front panel 2 3/4 by 4, and then a basic white piece to write your sentiment on, or your writing, whatever you want to say. 2 3/4 by 4. Let me move these out of the way. So as you see, this is the scored at 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to mark 3/4 on the third line, 1 1/2 on the first line, and then on the first score here. Then you're just going to start from this corner to the mark, to that, to the 3/4 also, and then down to the 1 1/2 and over. So I'll freeze that for a second, pause that for a second, and then when you cut it, it looks like this. Alright, so let me get folding. Alright, so accordion. So mountain, valley, mountain, valley. And this is what you'll see. Alright, then we're going to take our middle panel, and that one matches the middle side here. So adhesive on this flap. A little sticky there. And then fold that. Adhesive on the front one. Take my time to line that up. Then you're going to do the same here on the front. And that's the cascading part. Isn't that cool? Then you're just going to adhere the appropriate DSP. Sometimes I can't decide because I love them both. But we'll do a few here. And that goes here. This one, I think I like this one. Leaves on this side. And then I think the white on this side. Yes. And then if you want, yeah, I have the basic white, but you decide. You can, it's size, so you could put it behind the first one or behind this one. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put it on the back one. I like to write in my cards, so I like lots of space for that. I'm just making sure that it's being covered. And that is it. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, I really like this paper. I think I'm going to have to get another pack. So thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, comment, and share this video. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do add more video tutorials as every month. So, and I try to do a couple every week. So I appreciate you stopping by. Have a great day. Bye.